Okay, I want you to imagine a place. It's on our own planet, but it's so vast, so alien that it feels like another dimension entirely. Today, we're going to dive deep, and I mean deep, into the crushing darkness of our unexplored oceans.
We're starting our descent right now into a world of just perpetual night. This is a place where the sun, the source of pretty much all life as we know it, has absolutely no power.
And down there, in that total, eternal darkness, life has evolved in ways that just defy imagination. Seriously, these aren't just animals. They're like something straight out of a nightmare, or maybe a strange and beautiful dream.
But here's the part that's truly mind-blowing. This alien world, it isn't on some distant planet. Nope, it is right here, just beneath the waves, and we've barely even scratched the surface.
So just how much of this world is still a complete mystery? Well, the scale of what we don't know is, it's staggering.
95%. Just let that number sink in for a second. The huge majority of our planet's oceans is completely unexplored, unmapped, and totally unseen by human eyes. It's this massive blind spot in our knowledge of our own home. And to put that into perspective for you, it's kind of wild, but we have more detailed, high-resolution maps of the surface of Mars, a planet millions of miles away, than we do of our own seafloor. We've spent so much time looking up at the stars, we've kind of forgotten about the universe that exists right under our feet.
And there's a pretty good reason why we don't know much. The deep ocean is one of the most hostile environments you can possibly imagine. The pressure is just immense. We're talking hundreds of times greater than at the surface. For a human, it would be instant death, no question. And yet, somehow, against all odds, life finds a way.
And that just raises the biggest question of all, right? If life can exist under these completely impossible conditions, then what kind of life are we talking about? What else is down there, thriving in a world we can't even survive in for a fraction of a second?
All right, so let's try and meet some of the locals of this dark world, because the life forms we've found so far, they're not just animals. They are genuinely the stuff of science fiction.
I mean, just take the famous anglerfish. In a world with zero light, it just creates its own. It has this biological lantern that dangles right in front of its razor-sharp teeth, acting as this mesmerizing little beacon for its prey in the void. What an incredible, creepy solution for a predator living in absolute blackness.
And the anglerfish is just the beginning. We see these wild adaptations everywhere. You've got fish with transparent heads, so they can see upwards through their own skull. You have others that can unhinge their jaws to swallow prey 10 times their own size. This isn't just survival of the fittest, this is evolution getting really, really creative. And a little weird.
And here is a thought that might just keep you up tonight. A lot of marine biologists think that the bizarre, fascinating creatures we've found so far, they're probably just the smaller, more common ones. The true giants, the real apex predators of the abyss, they've likely never been seen at all.
So now we're going to go even further down to the most extreme, most mysterious spot on the entire planet. Welcome to the Mariana Trench.
11 kilometers. That's nearly 7 miles, straight down. That is the depth of the deepest known point, Challenger Deep. It's a distance that's so great, it's honestly hard to even wrap your head around it.
So to give you an idea of the scale here, you could literally take Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, flip it upside down and put it in the trench, and its peak would still be more than a mile underwater. This isn't just some crack in the seafloor, it's a whole other world.
Look, only a handful of missions have ever made it down this deep, and what they've come back with is, it's unsettling. Unmanned subs have recorded these mysterious, super powerful sounds, like the infamous bloop, a sound way louder than any known animal, and we have no idea what made it. They've tracked movements of things they couldn't see. Our most advanced tech goes down there and comes back with more questions than answers, every time. You see, the ocean's mystery isn't just about what's living in it. It's also about what it takes from us. For centuries, the sea has been a place where things and people just disappear. I mean, from the legendary disappearances in places like the Bermuda Triangle to countless other incidents all over the globe, the pattern is just eerie. Huge ships, advanced airplanes, entire crews, gone. Vanished. Like they were never there at all. Think about that for a second. In this age of satellite tracking and constant communication, how does a massive steel vessel just cease to exist?
There are no distress calls, no emergency beacons going off, just silence.
a sudden, complete, and inexplicable end to their journey.
It's like the ocean itself just opened up, swallowed them whole, and left not a single, solitary trace behind.
And all of this, it brings us to what might be the deepest fear of all. The real terror of the ocean isn't one specific monster or a single mystery. It's the sheer, crushing weight of what we simply do not know.
There is an entire world existing right here on our planet, and it operates by rules we don't understand, and it's inhabited by life we haven't even discovered yet. It's untouched by us, unseen by our eyes, and completely unknown to our science. It's the last true frontier, and it has been waiting right here this whole time.
Which really just leaves us with one final kind of haunting question. As our technology gets better and we get ready to finally pull back the curtain on that last 95%, we have to ask ourselves, are we actually ready for the answers we might find down there in the deep? Are we prepared to face whatever has been hiding in the dark all along?